The future of electric bikes has officially arrived, and it's more exciting than ever. In 2026, e-bikes are no longer just a greener way to travel. They're becoming smarter, lighter, faster, and packed with technology that is transforming personal transportation. From AI-powered riding systems and hubless wheels to modular frames, carbon fiber construction, and incredible long-range batteries, these machines are pushing innovation to new heights. In this video, we'll explore 15 next-level electric bikes that showcase the latest breakthroughs in engineering and design, proving that the future of two-wheel mobility is already here. Also, TMB represents a new direction in electric mobility, blending smart software, adaptable design, and advanced engineering into one platform. Developed by Also, it introduces the Dream Ride system, a software-defined pedal-by-wire technology that replaces the traditional chain-driven drivetrain. Instead of directly powering the rear wheel, pedaling creates electricity that the system uses to deliver smooth and intelligent assistance based on riding conditions. The TMB offers battery options with up to 60 or 100 miles of estimated range and supports speeds up to 28 miles per hour in Class 3 configuration. It includes regenerative braking, a high-resolution touchscreen portal display, USB-C battery, and GPS-enabled security features. Its modular top-frame system allows quick changes between solo, utility, and bench setups without tools. With suspension, lighting, and over-the-air updates, the Also TMB presents a connected vision for future transportation. This innovative electric bicycle shows how technology can reshape travel through flexibility, efficiency, and intelligence. KOSMOS Hubless e-bike introduces a futuristic approach to urban mobility by combining unique design, electric assistance, and practical features. Its standout hubless front wheel creates a distinctive open-wheel appearance while representing a new direction in bicycle engineering. The bike uses a mid-drive motor, gearbox, and carbon belt drive system to provide smooth, quiet operation with reduced maintenance compared to traditional chain systems. Designed for city lifestyles, the KOSMOS includes a folding mechanism that allows quick storage and easier transportation. Wide, puncture-resistant tubeless tires enhance comfort and durability, while the braking system provides reliable control during rides. A handlebar display and smartphone app adds smart connectivity by offering access to ride information and bike settings. With its minimalist frame, portable design, and innovative technology, the KOSMOS Hubless e-bike showcases a creative vision for the future of electric transportation, blending futuristic aesthetics with everyday usability. Aotos Flux X26 introduces a new vision of electric mobility by combining the style of an electric moto with the practicality of a modern e-bike. Built with an aerospace-grade aluminum frame, it features a powerful motor system designed to deliver strong acceleration and versatile performance. The Pro version increases power output and torque, offering an energetic riding experience with multiple riding configurations. A removable high-capacity battery provides extended range for daily travel and exploration. The Flux X26 is equipped with dual hydraulic suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, and wide fat tires to improve comfort, stability, and control across different surfaces. Its smart technology includes a full-color TFT dashboard, navigation, battery information, and advanced system controls. Additional features such as GPS tracking, NFC unlocking, 4G connectivity, and anti-theft monitoring enhance its connected experience. With futuristic styling and intelligent engineering, the Aotos Flux X26 represents the next generation of electric transportation. Urtopia Atom represents a fresh take on electric bicycle design, focusing on lightweight performance, intelligent technology, and everyday usability. Its carbon fiber construction creates a strong yet agile platform that is suitable for city commuting, recreational rides, and longer journeys. The bike delivers electric assistance through a powerful motor system designed to provide smooth acceleration and dependable support across different terrains. A removable battery helps extend travel distance while offering practical charging convenience for daily use. Comfort and control are supported by suspension features, wide tires, and hydraulic braking technology, allowing riders to enjoy a stable experience on changing road conditions. The Atom also includes connected smart features through its digital ecosystem, giving riders access to useful information and modern controls. By combining advanced materials, efficient electric power, and connected functionality, the Urtopia Atom presents an innovative vision for the future of personal transportation. Novus One represents a futuristic approach to electric mobility, merging the lightweight character of an e-bike with the performance of an advanced electric motorcycle. Created with a handcrafted carbon fiber monocoque structure, it offers a strong and lightweight foundation designed for efficiency and agility. Its powerful electric motor delivers impressive acceleration and high-speed capability, making it suitable for modern urban transportation. The integrated battery system provides practical range for daily travel while supporting convenient charging. Advanced digital technology enhances the riding experience through smartphone connectivity, vehicle monitoring, navigation features, and software updates. Premium components, including carbon wheels, LED lighting, and a unique suspension system, complete its distinctive design. By combining innovative materials, electric power, and intelligent features, the Novus One demonstrates a new direction for two-wheel transportation, where performance, technology, and futuristic engineering come together in a single electric machine. ANIIOKI. A 9 Pro Max brings extreme electric performance and rugged capability to the world of high-powered e-bikes. Designed with a reinforced frame and advanced dual-motor technology, it delivers strong acceleration, impressive torque, and reliable performance across different environments. Its large-capacity battery system is built for extended rides, making it suitable for long-distance travel, outdoor exploration, and demanding daily use. The bike features oversized fat tires that provide enhanced traction on pavement, trails, sand, and snow, while its suspension system improves comfort on uneven surfaces. A smart display keeps riders informed about speed, battery levels, and performance settings during every journey. Safety features, powerful lighting, and a durable construction design add to its versatility. Combining high output, long-range capability, and all-terrain engineering, the ANIIOKI A9 Pro Max represents a new level of electric bike innovation for riders seeking strength, endurance, and advanced mobility. Aventon Current introduces a new era of electric mountain biking by combining powerful performance, advanced suspension, and intelligent connectivity. Designed for serious trail adventures, this full-suspension EMTB delivers strong electric assistance through a high-torque mid-drive motor system built for steep climbs and challenging terrain. Its large-capacity battery supports extended exploration, allowing riders to travel farther on demanding routes. The bike features premium suspension components, hydraulic brakes, durable wheels, and modern trail geometry to provide stability, control, and confidence across different surfaces. Technology is a major part of the experience, with a digital display, wireless controls, GPS features, security systems, ride customization, and software updates enhancing everyday usability. By blending rugged mountain bike engineering with smart digital solutions, the Aventon Current represents the evolution of connected electric cycling, offering a glimpse into how future EMTBs can combine performance, efficiency, and intelligent design. Segway Myon brings a smart and modern approach to everyday electric commuting by combining efficient performance with advanced connected technology. Built with a lightweight frame, this e-bike delivers smooth electric assistance, strong hill climbing ability, and practical range for daily transportation. Its removable battery system provides extended riding capability while maintaining convenient charging options. Designed for comfort, the Myon includes front suspension, hydraulic brakes, and an ergonomic setup suited for urban journeys. The bike's intelligent ride system adds a new level of connectivity with features such as electronic shifting, torque sensing, GPS tracking, automatic unlocking, and software updates through a mobile app. Integrated lighting, a digital display, and additional security functions further improve the riding experience. By combining smart features, reliable engineering, and commuter-focused design, the Segway Myon represents the future of connected electric bicycles built for modern city travel. CYBERVELO EK9 2.0 showcases a powerful approach to electric mobility, combining high performance, long-range capability, and rugged design for adventurous riders. Built with a durable aluminum frame, this electric bike is equipped with a strong motor system designed to deliver fast acceleration, impressive torque, and reliable performance on challenging terrain. Its large removable battery options provide extended travel distances, making it suitable for exploration, commuting, and long outdoor journeys. Wide, fat tires improve traction and stability across surfaces such as roads, gravel, sand, and snow, while the multi-speed drivetrain offers flexibility for different riding conditions. Hydraulic disc brakes, motor safety controls, and a digital display enhance control and convenience. With its heavy-duty construction, advanced electric system, and all-terrain features, the CYBERVELO EK9 2.0 represents the next generation of versatile electric bicycles designed to handle both everyday travel and extreme adventures. MIHOGO Xone introduces a fresh concept in electric mobility by combining smart features, impressive range, and everyday practicality. Designed with a strong yet lightweight frame, this e-bike delivers a comfortable and stable riding experience for city travel, outdoor exploration, and daily transportation. Its advanced electric system provides responsive assistance, helping riders handle different routes with ease. A dual battery configuration increases travel distance, making longer rides more convenient and reducing the need for frequent charging. Intelligent sensors adjust motor support naturally according to riding conditions, creating a smoother and more efficient experience. The bike also includes suspension components, powerful braking technology, and durable tires to improve confidence and control. Connected features through a mobile application allow riders to access useful ride information and smart functions. With its adaptable design, modern technology, and long-distance capability, the MIHOGO Xone highlights the ongoing transformation of electric bicycles into smarter personal transportation solutions. Specialized Turbo Vado 3 showcases a modern approach to electric cycling by combining efficient performance, smart technology, and everyday comfort. Created for riders who need a dependable bike for commuting, recreation, and extended trips, it offers responsive electric assistance that feels natural during different riding conditions. Its integrated battery system provides strong travel capability while maintaining a sleek and practical design. Comfort-focused features help create a smoother ride, while quality tires, suspension components, and reliable braking systems improve stability and control. The bike also includes advanced digital functions that enhance security, connectivity, and rider awareness through smart tracking and system management features. With a balance of power, convenience, and intelligent engineering, the Turbo Vado 3 demonstrates how electric bicycles are becoming more capable and connected. It represents a future where daily transportation can be efficient, comfortable, and supported by modern technology. VELLO Via Plus introduces a new approach to compact electric mobility by combining lightweight construction, smart technology, and a flexible folding design. Created for modern city travel, this e-bike features a strong frame structure that provides stability while allowing quick and convenient folding for commuting and storage. Its advanced electric drive system delivers smooth assistance and adapts to changing riding conditions for a more efficient experience. The removable battery setup offers practical range options, giving riders more freedom for daily journeys and longer trips. Smart connectivity adds features such as ride customization, navigation support, security tools, and system updates through a digital platform. Premium components, including reliable brakes, quality tires, and integrated lighting, improve safety and comfort. With its compact size, intelligent features, and refined engineering, the VELLO Via Plus represents the future of urban transportation where portability and electric performance come together. Velotric Tempo represents a modern evolution of everyday electric cycling by combining lightweight construction, smart technology, and fitness-focused features. Designed for commuters and active riders, this e-bike delivers a balanced riding experience with smooth electric assistance and practical range for daily transportation. Its innovative pulse mode technology works with compatible health devices to help riders maintain preferred exercise levels, while sensor swap technology provides flexibility between natural pedaling support and relaxed cruising. The Tempo also includes intelligent connectivity features such as smartphone integration, digital unlocking, tracking support, and wireless software updates. Safety and convenience are enhanced through hydraulic braking, integrated lighting with turn signals, water-resistant protection, and a built-in charging port. By blending traditional bicycle handling with advanced electric capabilities, the Velotric Tempo creates a connected and efficient riding solution for modern lifestyles, supporting both urban travel and personal fitness goals. Forest Summit brings a new level of electric mountain bike capability by combining powerful performance, durable construction, and long-range adventure features. Designed with multiple frame styles, it offers riders flexibility for different riding preferences while maintaining a strong and reliable platform for off-road exploration. Its advanced mid-drive motor system delivers impressive torque for steep climbs, challenging trails, and demanding terrain. A high-capacity battery provides extended riding time, allowing longer journeys with fewer charging interruptions. The bike is equipped with quality suspension components, hydraulic brakes, and oversized tires to improve stability, traction, and control across rough surfaces. A digital display and integrated features add convenience for everyday use and outdoor adventures. With its combination of strength, endurance, and modern electric technology, the Forest Summit represents the evolution of high-performance EMTBs designed for riders who want confidence, capability, and freedom beyond traditional cycling limits. Pacific E-BIRDY introduces a refined vision of folding electric mobility by combining compact design, advanced suspension, and intelligent assistance technology. Built around a lightweight aluminum frame, it maintains the classic folding character of the BIRDY platform while adding a modern electric drive system for effortless urban travel. Its smart motor technology provides smooth and natural support by responding to rider input, creating a balanced cycling experience. The lightweight removable battery adds convenience while supporting practical daily journeys and portable charging needs. Designed for commuters, the E-BIRDY folds quickly for easy storage and transportation, making it ideal for city environments and mixed travel options. Hydraulic brakes, integrated lighting, and improved suspension components enhance comfort, safety, and control. With its blend of portability, innovation, and premium engineering, the Pacific E-BIRDY represents the future of lightweight electric folding bicycles designed for modern urban lifestyles.